In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username on Mailchimp. If you want to update how your name appears inside your Mailchimp account, what many people casually call the username, this step-by-step walkthrough will guide you from the dashboard to the exact place where you can make that change confidently and without confusion. Start by opening your browser and heading to Mailchimp. If you're not already signed in, log in to reach your main dashboard. From there, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may display your initials or a user image, and it opens your personal account menu. Click that profile icon to expand the menu. In the menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your user profile area, where Mailchimp keeps your personal details and preferences. On that page, find the section labeled Settings. It may appear as a tab or a link near the top navigation within your profile. Click Settings to access the configuration options. Inside Settings, select Details. This is the section that houses your core account identity information. Here, you'll see a field called Account Name. In Mailchimp, this account name functions as the username that appears across your account. It's separate from the email address you use to sign in, and changing it won't affect your login. Instead, this updates the name you and your teammates will see in menus, headers, and other places where your account identity is shown. Find the account name field and click inside it. Your cursor will appear, allowing you to edit the existing text. Remove the current name and type the new name you want to use. Aim for something clear, consistent with your brand, and easy to recognize. If this is a business account, match your official brand name and capitalization. Keep an eye on special characters and length. Even if they're allowed, simpler names are easier for teammates to spot in dropdowns and for you to recognize quickly. Take a moment to double-check spelling and spacing so the name appears exactly how you intend across the app. When you've entered your new account name, you should see the change reflected in this section. In many cases, your updated name will also appear in the header or near your avatar once the update processes. If Mailchimp presents any on-screen prompts or confirmations, follow them to complete the update. When the details page shows your new account name and you notice it reflected in your profile area, you're done. A quick note for clarity: the account name is your internal account identity. It doesn't change the from name in your campaigns or your audience settings. If you want emails to display a different sender name to subscribers, that's managed separately within your campaign or audience configuration. For today, we're focusing on the account level name that Mailchimp treats as your username. Let's recap the flow so it's fresh in your mind. Go to Mailchimp and sign in. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Profile, open Settings, go to Details, click into the account name field, and type the new name you want to use. Once it shows up in the Details section and around your profile area, you're all set. A few final tips to keep everything smooth. If you manage multiple Mailchimp accounts, glance at the account switcher in your profile menu first to confirm you're editing the correct one. If you collaborate with a team, consider sharing the updated name so colleagues recognize it in shared workspaces. And if the page layout looks different from what you expect, try a quick refresh or clear your cache so you're seeing the most current interface. That's all it takes to change your username on Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this video while you make the change on your own screen.